Pure nature. Finally, a new and simple way to get fruits and vegetables into your diet, without ever having to taste them. Many years ago, most medical experts would have laughed at the idea of capsules replacing real fruits and vegetables. Today, only 1 in 10 Americans are consuming the recommended minimum of fruits and vegetables #1, and the result can be seen in our rising levels of health problems. From extreme fatigue and memory loss to cancer and disease of all imaginable types, until recently, you may have found yourself with almost no alternative to eating fruits and vegetables. But now, thanks to the latest encapsulation technology. Thanks for watching this video. Link in description.